Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to a new journaling day. Today is our last day and I want to thank you first for coming back every day, and hopefully you enjoy the journaling videos. So for today I want to do a special page. I wanted to just kind of do a page with my most favorite memories from either all the days, and I think I'm including some pictures that didn't actually make it to the journal, but I still wanted to remember and have them part of the journal. So I am going to be creating these little doors. I am currently reading a book called The Book of Doors, and I am inspired by all these little doors that are on the cover of the book or on the inside covers of the book that I'm reading. And so I wanted to do something similar for this last page. I wanted to create little doors and print a bunch of little pictures and just kind of have a collection of my favorite memories from the past, I want to say 6 months maybe, but yeah, so it's gonna be a really easy spread, a really easy video, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. So to make the little doors, I cut this piece of scrapbook paper at 2.5 by 4.5, and I folded along the 4.5 and half to make the opening section, and then I just kind of free cuts along the top to make it look like a door. My pictures are sized to 2 by 2, so just small enough to fit inside these little doors. So once I created the template for one of the little doors, I'm just going to go ahead and make 12 of these because I printed 12 pictures. I figure I can put 6 of these little doors in each page, and we have a double page. So I'm just going to be recreating this little door a few more times and adding my picture. So this is going to be pretty much a very repetitive step video. So as I go through the process of doing these little doors, I wanted to take a minute just to kind of go back to when I started this journal. When I started this challenge, first I wanted to document more memories. I wanted to stay away from the phone. I wanted to print my pictures from the phone instead of forgetting about them. So I don't want to sit here and pretend that it was an easy process. It was very fulfilling and relaxing, but to be honest, some days I was really exhausted from the everyday. Some days I just didn't feel like go through it, but I wanna say that reading your comments was definitely a motivational, very motivational for me. If I didn't have you guys coming along with me on this journey, I probably would have quit very early on. So thank you for that. Thank you for motivating me and inspiring me to come and do this every day. Now the end result, as you may see, each page is not perfect. I did not like some of the spreads sometimes, but I kept going and I kept pushing myself because things like this, things like creating, things like documenting, memory keeping, it takes time, it takes courage, and it takes some sort of determination. But the result is so fulfilling. So if you're thinking on doing something very similar, perhaps a daily routine is not what I would recommend, but definitely get your journal out, put your memories down, and you will love it at the end, even if it's a little bit painful in the process sometimes. So I really love how this page came out because I have so much room to put all of those little memories that were still in my phone that didn't make it to any of the pages. And since we can open each one of these doors, we can have a picture on the side and do a little journaling on the other side, or I can even print more pictures and just fill both sides with pictures. So I will probably be doing that. But I wanted to close out the journal with a very special memory. So for the last page, I'm just gonna do a simple layout, and I'm going to be documenting my most precious memory. This was one of my birthdays long time ago. You will see in the picture that my girls were little and my mom was still around, and it was the sweetest birthday I've ever had. My girls baked me a cake, and we just stay home, watch movies. You know, they were making me a cake. My mom was around. We were all singing happy birthday. They were all making fun of how many candles I have on my cake at this point. And it is a memory that I will always treasure. And even though it's an older memory, I still wanted that sweet memory to be part of this journal because it's a very, very special memory with my mom and my girls when they were still little. So I'm just gonna be adding that here on the last page of my journal, and it's a wrap, you guys. And so I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. I hope that you enjoy all the videos on the series, even if some of the journaling pages are more on the simple side, some are more into the creative side, but each one of them was made with love and with so much care for my memories, but also to hopefully inspire you and motivate you to print your pictures and do a little bit of memory keeping on your journal. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.